Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on one of Vizag's most important water bodies, Meghadrigedda Reservoir, and the amazing floating solar power project built on it. Today, we will explore how this project is helping both water conversion and clean energy in Andhra Pradesh. Let's dive in. Meghadrigedda Reservoir history and importance. The Meghadrigedda Reservoir is located near Visakhapatnam city. It was built in the early 20th century and has been a major source of drinking water for Vizag city and nearby areas. This reservoir stores water from nearby hills and rains, and it supplies lakhs of people every day. Apart from drinking water, it also helps in irrigation and flood control during the monsoon. Over the years, the reservoir has become more than just a water body. It's a lifeline for the region. Location and capacity. Meghadrigedda is located about 15 kilometers from the Vizag city. The reservoir has a storage capacity of 11 million cubic meters. Water from the reservoir is treated at the Gambaram and Gajuvaka water treatment plants and then pumped to homes and industries. The need for renewable energy. As our city grows, the demand for electricity is increasing every year. At the same time, we need to protect nature and reduce pollution. That's where solar energy comes in. It's clean, green, and available in plenty in sunny places like Vizag. But we also face a problem. It's land. We need open land to install solar panels. That's why the government decided to floating solar technology on the reservoir. Floating solar power project. The floating solar power plant on Meghadrigedda was launched as a smart solution. Instead of using land, solar panels are placed on floating platforms over the water. This project is developed by Greater Visakhapatnam Municipal Corporation, GVMC, and supported by Smart City Mission. Key highlights. This project has 4 megawatt capacity. It produced enough power for street lights and water pumping. Saves lakhs of rupees in electricity bills every year. Reduce carbon emissions. How floating solar works. Floating solar panels are mounted on special plastic, floated that stay on the surface of water. They are connected to each other and anchored safely so they don't move in the wind or rain. The electricity generated is sent to GVMC energy systems. There are inverters and control rooms nearby that manage the power. Bonus benefit. These panels reduce water evaporation by covering the surface, helping save water. Benefits of floating solar. floating solar has many advantages. Number 1. No land uses. This is ideal for cities like Vizag. Number 2. Keeps the water cool. Improves panel performance. Number 3. Reduce water loss. Number 4. Eco-friendly, clean and silent power. It's a smart move for both energy and environment. Future of solar in Vizag. GDMC and the state government are planning more such projects. Floating solar can also be added on the other reservoirs like Tadapudi and Matasaluva. The aim is to make Vizag a clean, green, and energy-efficient city under the Smart City vision. The natural beauty of Meghadrigedda Reservoir. Now let's take a moment to enjoy and admire the natural beauty of the Meghadrigedda Reservoir. This is not just a water body, it's one of the most peaceful and scenic places near Visakhapatnam. Calm waters and open skies. As you look over the reservoir, the wide stretch of calm water creates a peaceful feeling. The surface of the water reflects the sky and clouds like a mirror, especially during sunrise and sunset. Birds fly over the water, and sometimes you can even spot small boats or ripples that gently disturb the stillness. It's the kind of view that makes you want to stop and take a deep breath. Surrounded by greenery. All around the reservoir, you'll see lush green hills and trees. The air here is fresh. And the sounds of nature like chirping birds and rustling leaves create a relaxing atmosphere. In the early mornings or just after rain, the place becomes even more beautiful. Mist rises from the water and slowly floats into the nearby forest. This area is home to many birds and small animals, making it a peaceful place for nature lovers and photographers. Sunrise and sunset views. The best time to visit Meghadrigedda are early morning or late evening. During the sunrise, the orange and pink colors spread across the water. In the evening, the setting sun lights up the sky, and the golden reflections dance on the surface of the reservoir. Many people come here to relax and enjoy the view, especially during weekends. Perfect for drone views and photography. From the sky, the reservoir looks majestic. Drone shoots capture the curved edges, the greenery around it, and the beautiful play of light and shadow on the water. It's also a great place of landscape photography and time-lapse videos. The mix of natural beauty and engineering gives you a unique view from the angle. Peaceful escape from city life. Vizag is a growing city full of activity and traffic, but Meghadrigedda offers a break from all that. Here time feels slower. People often come just to sit, meditate, or walk quietly along the edge. The peaceful surroundings makes it the perfect place to recharge your mind. So the Meghadrigedda Reservoir is not just important of water and solar power, it's a beautiful and peaceful part of the nature, right next to our city. Let's appreciate it, protect it, and keep it clean for future generations. Thank you so much for watching this video. I personally shoot and upload this from right here in India to show you the beauty, history, and innovation happening around us. Like the Meghadrigedda Reservoir and the amazing floating solar power project. If you enjoyed this kind of content, and if you like to explore more real places, natural beauty, and unique projects from across India and Andhra Pradesh, all captured from the sky using a drone, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support motivates me to keep discovering and sharing these hidden gems with you. Just hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss my next video. More amazing drone journeys are coming soon. Thanks again. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and keep exploring. Before you go, I'd like to know where you are watching this video from. Whether you are from Vizag or Mumbai or anywhere across India or the world, just drop a comment below and tell me your city or country. It's really make me happy to see where my viewers are tuning in from. And I try to read and reply to as many comments as I can. So go ahead, say hi in the comments and let me know where you're watching from. Let's build a community that loves exploring India together, one drone video at a time. Thank you all.